What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, Crypto Warriors and Sergeant Crypto, back at it again. Today is Friday, February 21st, 2020. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. This is the economy blog. I'll go over this particular blog post on my podcast. Check it out. The link's in the description, the Sergeant Crypto podcast. Check it out, links in the description. But the blog I wanted to review today, or tonight, today, is according to CoinMarketCap 2019, the CoinMarketCap blog. Yes, I am about almost 3 months late. I just found it, and it's a very interesting blog post. So let's get into it. Bitcoin outperformed all major financial asset classes in 2019, including equities, commodities, and bonds. However, Bitcoin's volatility should not be ignored. The last year, 2019, yes, Bitcoin has outperformed everything. But over the past 10 years, the past decade, where we have been in the longest running bull market in the history of the stock market, Bitcoin has outperformed everything under the sun. Everything. Bitcoin is up some 9 million% since 2009. And the stock market is up some, 400% or so. Because I think it 4x. Yes, although the stock market is doing great and the good times are rolling, don't expect it to last. Okay, and as we saw, if you've been in this Bitcoin game for a little bit, you see that it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So the same thing will happen to the regular stock market as well, in my opinion. Not financial advice, of course. Let's get into it. So we're gonna go down here. They give us a chart here, and it's just showing year to date in 2019 of the Bitcoin market compared to other asset classes. So we have Bitcoin up 87%, the whole crypto market cap up almost 50%, gold 15%, silver 11%, palladium almost 50%, MCI World Index 25%, the S&P 500 Index 30%, and this is all last year. This is 2019. This isn't over a couple of years or over a 10-year period. This is just 2019. This is crazy. All right, everything has been pumping. All markets have been pumping. S&P Spider China ETF 22%, and then Treasury Bond ETF 5%. S&P China, another S&P Spider ETF 31%. So it's nuts. Everything is up, and that's due to the printing of money. The quote-unquote quantitative easing is the reason why everything is up. People close to the printers, they have to put their money somewhere, all right, because they know that the more money that's being printed, the less value their dollars or yuan, whatever fiat they have, has, the less value it have. So they have to put their money somewhere. This is why the equities have been pumping. This is why all assets have been pumping, in my opinion, at least. All right, so let's scroll down some more. The Bitcoin and crypto market cap, the Bitcoin and the top 5 crypto assets. Here we are. Top 5 crypto assets other than Bitcoin: ETH, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and EOS. Didn't perform as well in 2019 as Bitcoin did. But we scroll down some more and we see that according to this chart right here, I'm going to read this paragraph here. Referring to the above table, a quick overview of year-to-date price performance of Bitcoin and the top 10 other crypto assets paints a similar picture. Bitcoin is only outperformed by BNB, which is Binance Coin, and Tezos, while top 10 underperforms. What is also interesting to note is the volatility of crypto asset in general. As stated earlier in the report, Bitcoin appeared to have the highest standard deviation of daily returns as compared to major assets in the traditional financial market. This translates Bitcoin being the most volatile assets when compared to the basket used to represent traditional financial markets. Yet, when compared to other crypto assets, Bitcoin has the lowest volatility out of the top 10 crypto assets. So when Bitcoin is being compared to equities, which is your stocks, to bonds, to real estate, all right, all these other asset classes, Bitcoin is super volatile. But Bitcoin is the most stable out of the top 10 cryptos. So, if you're not in for the up and down and the fluctuations, and you watch what's happening in the markets all the time, and you feel like you're going to get a heart attack, your best bet is to park your money into Bitcoin. And again, not financial advice. What tokens or coins outperformed Bitcoin? It was the exchange coins. So the exchange coins outperformed Bitcoin, and according to this chart right here, sorry for that. According to this chart right here, the exchange coins index outperformed Bitcoin, not by much. If you're talking about the whole index, but it outperformed it by, what's this, 11%. And then we have smart contracts index is up 34% as a whole. And then privacy coins, they are down 15%. And again, this is talking about 2019. I don't know why I'm having a hard time to talk or even read here. All right, so let's go down some more. So the smart contract as a whole, the index, the one that's been carrying all of the smart contracts, if you put it in a basket, all right, and you come up with a smart contract index according to CoinMarketCap, and these are the coins they have in their index, is ETH, EOS, Tezos, Tron, and ADA, or Cardano, I'm sorry. The one that's been carrying that whole index has been Tezos. Tezos is up 226% over the year 2019. And Tezos right now, as of today's date, has been pumping still. It's like it's nonstop. Tezos is the one that's been carrying that index of smart contract. Scroll down some more. We see the exchange tokens. We have the FTT coin. I looked it up. I already forgot what it is. It's and we have Binance, the Leo coin. That one was down. ZB. I don't know these exchanges. I know Huobi and I know Binance. Huobi and Binance, they're the ones that's been carrying this index as a whole. I don't really mess with the smaller exchanges. I'm surprised KuCoin isn't on here in this basket, but I guess they're just picking and choosing the winners, so to speak. As you can see, the exchange coins has outperformed Bitcoin if you're just going up Bitcoin per exchange coin. Not as as an index, it did outperform Bitcoin, but Huobi token outperformed Bitcoin by almost double, and Binance Coin by about 20 or 30%. All right, exchange tokens fared relatively well in 2019, with BNB 117% reaching a meteoric 500% at the height of the bull market. However, the gains were short-lived and prices retraced significantly in line with general crypto market sentiment. BNB and Huobi up 144%, notably outperformed Bitcoin in year-to-date performance, and it could be due to efforts on the exchange's part in building out better use cases for their tokens. And if you know about Binance, in the case of Binance at least, we know that CZ and Binance, they're doing great things. They released their DEX last year. They just released the Binance Cloud platform. Another great use case for the BNB token was being able to participate in IEOs on the Binance Exchange. But the use cases for the BNB token is ridiculous, and the quarterly burn that they do, again, pump the price as the supply dwindles when they do the quarterly burns. But I'm going to leave a link to this report in the description. I would like for you guys to read this report, see what took place over 2019, and let's discuss it in the description below. And as always, smash up the likes, hit that share button. Let's discuss what are some other coins or other ways we can make money moving forward in 2020, because as we can see, as we saw here with Bitcoin, crap, I didn't mean to do that. As we saw here with Bitcoin, that got totally distracted by that stupid pop-up. But as we saw here with Bitcoin, although it's volatile compared to other asset classes or other assets, Bitcoin itself is basically a stable asset moving forward in the crypto space because it doesn't have the 30-40% swings like some of these other cryptos. It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto. Thanks for watching. Smash up the likes, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out. Peace.